In today's session, we are going to discuss a case study for need for automation. Okay. So this case study will be discussed with our by our friends.
Good morning, myself Harishno and my friends Manish, Hamsavardhan, Avaniran, Darshan and Mohan Singh, and the further topics will be said by Mohan Singh.
As per the previous lecture, we have got knowledge from the mechatronics, and this first I will recap that the mechatronics is nothing but the three sectors which has been divided. First sector is the mechanical, and the second sector is the electronics, and third sector is the computer science. And with these three help of three sectors, which makes the mechatronics perfect, and it is improving courses. Further topic will be taken by my friends.
We are going to see the need for automation case study on the decision thinking aspects, which includes empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. The empathy part will be continued with my friends.
Let me explain what is empathy. Empathy is the day-to-day problem what are going. The main problem in empathy is lack of time, labor demand,
And time management and accuracy.
Any vehicle, it takes more time for us to reach, which indicates that lack of production material, so that automation, if automation implements, there will be no shortage in that case problem.
Okay. Based on our students, what they told is they are going to discuss about the case study on need for automation. So the first part they have told about the empathy. What the empathy are telling is they are telling that for mass productions there is labor shortage. Okay, skilled laborers are not available, and timing is the main problem. The production rate is low. Okay, and then accuracy is not maintained when we are doing manually. So there are many problems in the existing manufacturing process. Okay, for that they are going to define. So what they are defined is they are going to switch over this conventional system into some automation. Okay, for that what is the idea they are going to explain? Okay, what they have taken.
The different part is taken by the robots, using the robots over the conventional method. The robots can be useful other than compared to the humans. We have been used mechanical arm and robots in the automation industry.
Okay, so what they have made is they have told that they are going to use a robot. Okay, so to do this manufacturing process instead of manual. Okay, so this is their idea. Okay, so nowadays you know robots. Okay, so everywhere they use it. So they have selected these robots. Okay, now let us see the prototype and working of the robots. Okay, so this is a small prototype model. Okay, can you explain how this working? Explain what are the components.
This is a prototype of a mechanical arm which is made by 3D printing. The microcontroller used in this part is Raspberry 3.0 module, and we use servo motors to connect the arms of the joints of the arm. We use servo motors which is applicable to rotate in 360 degree, and the arm which is used in top is applicable to use in 180 degrees, and made a hand like finger parts to hold joints and hold parts of the vehicle which used to be joint in the vehicle.
Okay, as they told that, so this is a small prototype model. Okay, they have made an idea with this. So when this robot is made, this can be extended like this. Okay, so it can be extended and then it can move to any 180 degree or 360 degree like this. So 360 degree it can be rotated. Okay, and then it can be linearly, it can be moved. Okay, so linearly it is moving. So this is made possible to introduce in the manufacturing process. So these type is pick and place robots. So these robots can be used to take the products and to launch on the machines where the manufacturing process is made, and after completing it can be taken outside and can be finished products can be taken. Okay, so this can be made at any 360 Celsius degree. So whatever the products where we are keeping, we can take and we can place there. Okay, so the timing is becoming lesser, and then the accuracy and the skill levels are reduced when you are going for this automation. Okay, so this is the prototype model and this is the working. Okay. So now let us conclude what is the outcome of completion of this case study.
The outcome is production will be increased in the industries.
We can use in mass industry like car industry, example Toyota, Mitsubishi, all.
And it can be also used in various industry and various type of industry, which can be helped to not only production but also to deliver the items and the packaging.
So what is the conclusion of case study is, if we go for a large manufacturing industries, if the production is to be more and we are producing for mass production, okay, when a same component is produced in lot of quantity, that is called as mass production, this setup can be arranged. Okay, so in big industries, in the manufacturing industries, they are implementing this, so no need of skilled laborers. Okay, and it is versatile and accuracy is more, and the machine does not get tired. Okay, so it will be working continuously. So this may increase the production rate and also we will increase the profit. Okay, this is our the case study on designing. Thank you.